Shi benta ban kentiu ya ketin Khasi bat Garo ka soka jela ka rai ban penrung haki school Naduh primary Naduh Lashem Snem ha baro ki school. Ya kani ka rai la manjur ka kabinet ha ka jingilang menta ka sngi ka khat kanai trik no pra ajal san. U mitrang ba ka jela konat ki sangma ha ba batai lo ka neu ong ba ya menta Snem ka soka kadang ailat shua ya ki school bakin jet hi lada ki kwa ban hikai ketin Khasi bat Garo ni em ndai Naduh Lashem Snem kin hap ban Pule bej kremsya syuk banjit u konral ong bagani ke senjam bak soka kal krasim kalong ban seng nong rim yaki kena nanu dang rit bakin sutu yak tin Khasi bat Garo ha ka juk ka pola pen iru yak kot ke beladep ban penbit penbiang haul kani.
The cabinet has approved the state curriculum framework for foundational stage for the education, where syllabus of preschool for class 1 has been approved, and the different textbooks have been also introduced. And I just want to stress on this that the idea is that during those foundational stages, we are trying to focus on aspects of personality development, aspects of certain values to be instilled in our citizens and the young children, and we are focusing on culture and the history of the state, and we are also ensuring that it becomes mandatory for every child to learn both Khasi and Garo language. So we are introducing textbooks. I'll just show you the example of some of the textbooks like these. If you can see that both Garo and Khasi are there in this. So we want every child to learn both the our languages, and so this is also being introduced. And we're also introducing and structuring the system and simplifying it so that it's easier for the children to grasp the basic aspects of the education which would like to have in them. And of course, some of the schools have already approved their framework, the syllabus for the next academic year. So this year we are not making it mandatory for them to take all the textbooks that we are proposing, but from next year onwards we will make it mandatory. But this year we're making it optional. So this has been approved by the cabinet, and we're rolling this out.